Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make roast chicken. It's real good. Let's go. Now before we start doing anything, I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to convect roast, 350. So that's preheated. Now let's get into the next part. Then you get a good sized bowl and put it in about 500 grams or so of chicken breast. Just cut them thin and then cut them into like small pieces. And then you put like a few tablespoons of olive oil. Then I like to put in a dash of white vinegar. And now you add a little bit of sea salt. And now a little bit of black pepper. Just like that. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of paprika. And finally, a little bit of ground cumin. And then you mix it up really good. Perfect. Now we're gonna leave it in here for like a few minutes. And then you're gonna get a good sized baking tray with some oil in it. And then you start placing the chicken that was marinated for just a few minutes right on the baking tray. Now this is actually you can have it by yourself, or what I like to do is use this for some chicken tacos or chicken nachos or something like that. So yeah, I've seen my dad make this, and yeah, it's just real good. And yeah, it's real good seasoning, by the way. So I'll put them into I'll put the rest of the ingredients down below in the description. So if you want to try it out and make it yourself, go for it. And it's real good, trust me. Alright, now we put this in the oven for about 18 minutes, and after 18 minutes we're gonna take it out and flip them over and put it back in for another 5 minutes. Okay, you take them out of the oven, now you flip them over. I know they look down, but not quite. Yeah, just flip them over. Now, you put this back in the oven for like 4 to 5 minutes, then it should be done. Beautiful. Now you just leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes and then transfer it to a plate and you can start eating. And these are so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for roast chicken. As you can see. Ooh, beautiful. I'm looking for a try. Amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.